This was a tic-tac-toe program I wrote in, I don't know, 1990, something like that, that got better as you played it. But it took forever, so I wrote another tic-tac-toe-like player to play itself, and it got better super good. And how I did it is now called reinforcement learning, which is what all the deep seek stuff was all about, because it got better and better and better. I thought, wow, that's so, it all comes back, you know? Property graphs, we're going to talk most about these two, and they're going to kind of merge a little bit, okay? And then there's network graphs, and then there's the XY graphs. So the XY graphs are just what we learned in algebra, right? XY, XY, Z, that kind of stuff, okay? So we're not going to talk about that, but I wanted you to just see those. So let's go through them a little bit. So Troy is actually, Troy's on the next slide. So, okay, so what is a property graph? Let's start with just a network graph. All right, so we got a couple nodes and there's an association. And how you just read that is Craig is associated with an OraPub user group, and OraPub user group could be associated with Craig. Okay? Now, if you've done any relational database design, you'll know, you start talking like, okay, it's really natural. So that's just a network graph. It just shows you a connection. A property graph starts to have like properties. You know, wow. Oh yeah, I wrote that up there. I know this. Ha ha ha. You know. So, but you'll notice right away there's quite a bit of more information about the relationship between the two entities. So Craig speaks at an OraPub user group. It's directional. So if it goes back the other way, we're going to see another arrow. Okay. Notice we have colors. Well, that's because Craig is the type of person. Okay. And so there would be like, think about a person's table or a people table. It's just relational databases. And then we have OraPub user group. Well, that's an organization. Let's say that's the type of organization. So we're going to give that a different color. So when you get like that initial property graph I showed you, the colors actually contain information. It's like another dimension. You can look at it like that. Okay. And then this is the relationship. That's key. We just leverage the heck out of that when we start doing racks. So we have Craig speaks at OraPub user group. Craig is a person, speaks at the organization OraPub user group. So there's some properties in that. Okay. Just with that alone, rack can actually use that.